Every night, without fail, humans surrender nearly 1/3 of their lives to sleep. We lie down, close our eyes, and disappear from the world for hours. From an evolutionary point of view, this seems dangerous. Sleeping makes us vulnerable. So why would nature design humans to need sleep so badly? The answer lies inside the brain. For a long time, people believed sleep was simply rest for the body. Today, science shows something far more important: sleep is essential maintenance for the brain and body. Without it, survival becomes impossible. Let's begin with the brain. During the day, your brain is constantly working. It makes decisions, stores memories, controls emotions, and processes information from every sense. All this activity creates waste products at the cellular level. If these wastes build up, brain cells begin to malfunction. Sleep is when the brain cleans itself. Scientists discovered a special system called the glymphatic system, which becomes active mainly during sleep. This system flushes out toxic waste, including proteins linked to diseases like Alzheimer's. When you don't sleep enough, this cleaning system slows down, allowing damage to accumulate. That's one reason sleep deprivation affects thinking, memory, and focus so quickly. Now let's talk about memory. Every day, you learn things: conversations, skills, faces, emotions. Sleep helps decide what information is worth keeping. During deep sleep, the brain strengthens important memories and removes unnecessary details. This is why students perform better when they sleep after studying, not when they stay awake all night. Sleep doesn't just store memories, it organizes them. Emotionally, sleep is just as important. When you sleep, especially during REM sleep, your brain processes emotional experiences. Stress, fear, sadness, and anxiety are replayed and softened. This emotional processing helps you wake up calmer and more balanced. When people don't sleep enough, emotions spiral out of control. Small problems feel overwhelming. Anger rises faster. Anxiety increases. This is why chronic sleep deprivation is strongly linked to depression and mental health disorders. Sleep also repairs the body. During deep sleep, the body releases growth hormone. This hormone repairs muscles, heals tissues, and strengthens bones. Athletes rely on sleep for recovery, but even non-athletes need it to maintain basic physical health. Your immune system also depends on sleep. While you sleep, your body produces infection-fighting cells and antibodies. People who don't sleep enough get sick more often and take longer to recover. Even metabolism and weight are controlled by sleep. Sleep regulates hormones that control hunger. Lack of sleep increases hunger hormones and reduces the feeling of fullness. This is why poor sleep is linked to weight gain and diabetes. The body becomes confused about energy when sleep is missing. So what happens when humans don't sleep? After 24 hours without sleep, reaction time slows and judgment weakens. After 48 hours, memory starts failing and emotional instability increases. After longer periods, hallucinations, immune failure, and organ stress begin. In extreme cases, lack of sleep can be fatal. Sleep is not optional. It is biological law. Interestingly, humans are not alone in this need. Almost all animals sleep: birds, mammals, reptiles, and even insects. This shows that sleep evolved because it provides a survival advantage, not a weakness. Sleep also fuels creativity and problem-solving. When awake, the brain follows rules and logic. During sleep, those rules loosen. The brain connects ideas freely, leading to insight and creativity. Many scientific discoveries, artistic ideas, and solutions have appeared after a good night's sleep. Sleep is not wasted time. It is when the brain cleans itself, repairs the body, stores memories, regulates emotions, strengthens immunity, prepares for tomorrow. So why do humans need sleep? Because without sleep, the brain breaks down. Without sleep, the body cannot heal. Without sleep, the mind loses balance. Sleep is the foundation of health, intelligence, and emotional strength. The next time you go to bed, remember this: you are not shutting down. You are powering up for life. Sleep is not an escape from reality. It is what allows us to live in it.